Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel nuts at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of your preferred nuts, like pecans or walnuts, along with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that delicious caramel. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, resist the urge to stir further. Allow the mixture to simmer undisturbed until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. This is where the magic happens. With your caramel perfectly amber, it's time to coat the nuts. Immediately remove the saucepan from the heat and quickly stir in the 2 tablespoons of butter and that pinch of salt. Then, add your 2 cups of nuts, stirring continuously and swiftly to ensure every single nut is thoroughly coated in the warm, glistening caramel. Remember, the caramel will start to harden quickly, so speed is key here for an even coating. Finally, let's get those delicious caramel nuts ready to enjoy. Carefully spread the hot, coated nuts in a single layer onto a sheet of parchment paper or a silicone mat. As they cool, gently separate any nuts that have clumped together before the caramel completely sets. Once fully cooled and hardened, transfer your homemade caramel nuts to an airtight container. They'll stay fresh and crunchy for several days, perfect for snacking or gifting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.